teach you the choreography of the new song made by Jiar called Left and Right. So let's start. This is step by step. So hope you guys enjoy it and like it. Let's start. Okay, so let's start ha. Start tayo sa sabayan natin muna ng count. Okay? So you're going to go to your left. Punta tayo sa kaliwa. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. From here, bubuka natin yung paa natin. Kasi mag-cross tayo. Again, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So from here, cross your legs. 1, 2. Remember your counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So stay on 8. When you need to drop it, don't drop it. Stay on 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then step to the back. 1, 2, then right, 3, 4, then step from 5, 6, then 10, 10, 10, 10, half. Magtatapos ng left. Try natin yung lyrics. Sabi ng lyrics, the lyrics said, we go to the left, we go to the right. Okay? To open. Cross your legs, tap your shoe 4 times. Then we go to the back and we go whip and front, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Let's try natin ng mabilis. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slide, hop, and walk, and left, right, left. Okay? Okay, after nun, left, right. Then maririnig nyo, everybody now. Step tayo ng right. Oh. Then left. Oh. Then step ng right. Parang scoop to. Scoop. Oh. Hit. Oh. Okay, let's try. Everybody now. Oh. Then left. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, continuous tayo. Scoop your head. Then bend your knee. Release. And release. And release. And release. That's 4 times. 1, 8 in total. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and bam. And 1, hit, scoop. Oh. Alright. And close. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to the back 4 times. Alright. Then roll your hand and clap. Okay, then repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, and 6. This time, you're gonna hit it, and hop. Okay, let's try ng mabilis. So we end up on 10, 6, 7, and oh. And down, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Roll back. Okay? Got it. Then again, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go to the back and punch and up. Yeah. So basically, yun yung buong choreography, yung parang chorus part. So the rest of it, you can do anything. You can add or whatever you want, whatever you want to incorporate with the dance. Okay, let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. We go to the 1, hop and hop, sit, hop, and you gotta go cross, down, touch your right, left, right, and up, left, and whip to the front, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Oh, 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 and oh, and 2, down, 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 and 1, 2, ha, ta, 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 ha, and ta. Again, 2, 3, 4, back, and then punch it twice, and freeze. That's it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the video. And thank you to Jiar for making such a good video, such a good music for everybody to dance. And God bless you all. Okay, we have the dance for this music also. If you want to watch it, just watch in the link below. We will put that one with my students. So sana magustuhan nyo. At siyempre, same choreography to galing from Jiar and the crew. So hopefully you like it, and God bless you all. Shout out from Hong Kong. Bye-bye.